Because the COVID-19 pandemic has caused us to temporarily reduce our maintenance services, we've put together this video of some tips and tricks to easily resolve our most common service requests. If any part of your home is flooding, we will need you to turn off the water to your home. You will find the water shutoff next to your hot water heater. When the water is on, the knob will be positioned vertically. To shut the water off, turn it 90 degrees to the right or until it is flat and horizontal, as shown here. If your garbage disposal is not running, it may just need to be reset. There's a red button on the bottom of the disposal. Press and hold this button for approximately 3 seconds, then turn your water on and start the disposal. If your bathtub is draining slowly or is clogged, you can remove the drain cover by unscrewing the top metal piece, pressing the cover a little bit into the drain, and unscrewing the vertical piece from the drain, as shown here. After removing this, you can use tweezers or pliers to pull out any hair that is stuck in the drain. To put the cover back on, you'll place the round piece back into the drain and screw it back in, and then screw the small metal piece back on top until it is finger tight. If your lights or other appliances don't have power, your breakers may have tripped. Your breaker box is located behind the master bedroom door. When you open it, you will see black switches on one side and labels on the other. When the breakers are on, they will be pointed towards the center of the box. If a breaker is pointed to the outside, flip it back to the center and your light or appliance should come back on. Some other quick fixes we want to highlight is if your bedroom or bathroom door is locked from the inside, you can insert a flathead screwdriver into the doorknob and twist. The knob will open. If the outlets in your kitchen or bathroom are not working, you'll want to press the red button in the middle of the outlet. This will reset the outlet and it should begin to work. If the soap cup for your dishwasher won't close, you'll want to check to see if your dishwasher is in the middle of a cycle. If it is, you'll want to turn the knob to the off position, and then the soap cup should close. If you notice items in your fridge are starting to freeze, you'll want to make sure the temperature is set between 3 and 5. You'll also want to make sure that nothing in your freezer is blocking the vent in the center. If your washer is not agitating or spinning properly, you'll want to check the lid. When you press on the lid, you should feel it bend just a little bit. If it doesn't, open the lid and press in the center until it pops out. We want to thank you for your understanding and cooperation during this rapidly evolving situation. If any of the tips and tricks listed in this video do not solve your problem, please place a service request online at www.essexrentcafe.com. As soon as we are able to safely enter your home, we will be there to take care of any and all requests you may have. If you have an emergency maintenance request, please place it immediately and we will reach out to you to schedule a time to come and correct the issue.